I don't know.
What do you do?
Just doing my routine. Everyday training, go to school. That's it.
Really?
I'm totally single. Zac Efron. It would be Tiger.
Why?
Deadly, but sometimes harmful. Yeah. Hi, I'm Micah Ortiz. Wait lang. Oh. Hi, I'm Micah Ortiz from Matchpoint.ph.